Do you know the importance of English language? इंग्लिश को सत्तर जरूरी क्यों सीखना चाहिए हमें इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज? Let's get it in details. Hello gorgeous people there. Welcome to my channel Eloquent Spoken Hub. So today I want to talk to all of you about the importance of English language. So all of us have already been aware that this language has become the global language and connecting people from different countries, cultures and backgrounds. So this language has become a vital tool for communication, career and various opportunities, right? So let's deep dive into all those details. First of all, English language opens doors to countless opportunities, and this language is also known as international business, diplomacy and science. Knowing that this language can put you up in the competitive edge in this job market, as many companies, almost each and every company requires proficiency in English. It allows you to broaden your horizon, connect with others and fostering cultural understandings. Secondly, this is a language of education, as many top universities and academic institutions teach in English. So by mastering this language, you can gain treasure of knowledge and resources. So you can pursue your goal, you can go abroad, you can pursue your higher studies as well, and you can engage yourself in global research collaborations and whatnot. And this language also enhances your chances of gaining that scholarship and grants. Thirdly, English is a language of internet and technology. As just think about it, most websites and softwares and social media platforms are in English. So by understanding this language, you can navigate the digital world effortlessly, access the information and stay up to date with the latest advancements. So this language also empowers us to connect with people, share ideas and to navigate that global online community. So in conclusion, English is more than just a language. It empowers us to connect, learn and grow. You can appreciate diverse voices and cultures, as this language opens doors to many opportunities, enhances the education and promote the cultural understanding and facilitates the technological advancements. So I will let you, all of you, to embrace this language and to learn this language, to understand this easily. So that's all for today. Stay tuned to my channel for such more updates and motivation to learn English. So till then, tata, bye bye, take care.